Heavy fighting continued throughout the night as U.S. Marines continued to push towards the capital city in pursuit of Khaled al-Assad. Sporadic fighting can be heard as the bulk of al-Assad's forces fall back towards the presidential palace.
Command, this is Lieutenant Vasquez. War Pig is en route. We're not missing this party.
Bravo 6, we're clear of the bog. Thanks for the assist. We'll hold down the left flank and provide supporting fire. Out. Bravo 6, possible ambush area up front. We'll, move up when you clear the area ahead of us. Over. Watch the silhouettes on the rooftop. Marines stand clear. We're gonna get some rounds into those buildings. Oh! Gunner! Two-story building at 1 o'clock! Ground floor! Target acquired. Fire! Oh! Gunner! Two-story building at 1 o'clock! Second floor! Target acquired! Fire! Gunner, 3-story building, 11 o'clock, second floor! Target acquired! Fire! Up! 3-story building, 11:30, second floor balcony! Target acquired! Fire! Bravo 6, we're moving up. Roger that. Oh! Gunner, 3-story building at 12:30! Second floor! Target acquired! Fire! Oh! Gunner, 3-story building, 11 o'clock, second floor! Target acquired! Fire! Bravo 6, this is War Pig. Are we clear to advance, over? Roger that. Move up and hold position at the bend. Over. Roger, moving. Briggs. Keep them pinned down from here. Bravo, head out back and flank it from the right.
They're pulling back! Stay sharp! It could be a trap!
Hold right here! Enemy tank, come around the road!
Warpig, Bravo 6. T-72 behind the building at your 10 o'clock. Can you engage? Over. Roger that, Bravo 6. I got him on thermal. Switching to manual. Taking the shot. Lots of secondaries. Now let's get the hell out of here. Coming through. Roger that, Bravo 6. So, are we there yet?
Bravo 6, 2nd platoon is moving to rendezvous near your location. What's your status? Over.
Precious cargo is intact and en route. We're almost at Highway 4 and should make visual contact shortly with 2nd platoon.
Private, on me!
Lieutenant Vasquez, this is Outlaw 2-5. The task force is moving in to capture Al-Assad. It's all hands on deck for this one, so get on board, over. Roger that. Marines, we just got a fix on Al-Assad's position. Everyone on board, let's go!